Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2402 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's EVAP system, specifically the leak detection pump. And if left unresolved, it can increase fuel vapor emissions, trigger the check engine light, and prevent your vehicle from passing an emissions inspection. What does P2402 mean? P2402 stands for Evaporative Emission System Leak Detection Pump Control Circuit High. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the control circuit for the leak detection pump, also known as the LDP, is receiving a higher than normal voltage signal. The leak detection pump is responsible for checking the EVAP system for leaks by creating pressure or vacuum inside the fuel vapor system. The ECU monitors the electrical circuit of the pump to ensure it is operating correctly. If the control circuit voltage becomes too high, the ECU cannot properly control the pump and stores the P2402 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2402, you may notice check engine light on, failed emissions inspection, fuel vapor smell around the vehicle, EVAP system monitor not completing, additional EVAP-related trouble codes, and in most cases, no noticeable change in engine performance. Since this code mainly affects the emissions system, many drivers notice only the check engine light. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The leak detection pump is usually mounted near the charcoal canister close to the fuel tank underneath the vehicle. On some vehicles, it is integrated into the EVAP canister assembly. The pump connects to the ECU through an electrical wiring harness and connector. Because it is located underneath the vehicle, it is exposed to water, road salt, dirt, and vibration. The most common causes of P2402 include faulty leak detection pump, short to battery voltage in the control circuit, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded electrical connectors, poor electrical connections, faulty EVAP control module, or ECU problems in rare cases. A short to voltage condition or damaged wiring is one of the most common causes of this code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional EVAP-related trouble codes. Inspect the leak detection pump wiring and connector for damage. Look for melted insulation, exposed wires, or corrosion. Measure the control circuit voltage using a digital multimeter. Verify power and ground connections. Use a professional scan tool to command the leak detection pump on an OFF and confirm that the pump responds correctly. How to fix P2402: repair damaged wiring. Repair any short to voltage condition, clean or replace corroded connectors. Replace the faulty leak detection pump if testing confirms failure. Repair EVAP control circuit faults if necessary, clear the code. And perform a complete EVAP drive cycle to verify the repair. Final result: fixing P2402 will restore proper leak detection pump operation, reduce fuel vapor emissions, allow the EVAP monitor to complete successfully, help your vehicle pass emissions testing, and keep the check engine light OFF. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.